The Best First Cars, a comprehensive guide for new drivers choosing your first car, is one of life's most exciting milestones, but it can also feel overwhelming with so many options available. The perfect first car should balance affordability, reliability, safety, and practicality while being forgiving enough for inexperienced drivers to learn on. After careful consideration of these factors, here are the best first cars that offer excellent value for new drivers. What makes a great first car? Before diving into specific models, it's important to understand what characteristics make a vehicle ideal for first-time owners. The best first cars are typically reliable, inexpensive to maintain, safe, fuel-efficient, and affordable to insure. They should also be easy to drive and park, with good visibility and responsive handling that builds confidence rather than intimidation. Top compact car choices. Honda Civic stands out as one of the most recommended first cars, and for good reason. Known for exceptional reliability, the Civic offers excellent fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value. Its reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles makes it an excellent investment for budget-conscious buyers. The interior is spacious despite its compact size, and Honda's safety reputation provides peace of mind for parents. Toyota Corolla shares similar virtues with the Civic, offering legendary reliability and fuel efficiency. Toyota's reputation for building cars that run seemingly forever makes the Corolla a smart financial choice. It's also one of the most affordable, which is crucial for young drivers facing high premium costs. The driving experience is predictable and comfortable, making it ideal for building driving confidence. Nissan Sentra provides excellent value in the compact segment, often available at lower prices than its Honda and Toyota competitors while still offering good reliability. Recent models feature updated styling and improved fuel economy, making them attractive options for style-conscious first-time buyers. Reliable midsize options. Honda Accord represents a step up in size and features while maintaining Honda's reliability reputation. For families wanting something larger than a compact car, the Accord offers more interior space and a smoother highway ride. Its strong safety scores and excellent resale value make it a practical choice that can serve drivers well through college and beyond. Toyota Camry mirrors the Accord's strengths with Toyota's legendary build quality. The Camry offers a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and excellent fuel economy. Its widespread availability in the used car market means finding affordable examples with maintenance records is relatively easy. Best hatchback choices. Honda Fit maximizes interior space despite its small exterior footprint, making it perfect for city driving and parking. Its excellent fuel economy and Honda reliability make it economical to own, while its versatile cargo area handles everything from college dorm supplies to sports equipment. The elevated seating position provides good visibility for nervous new drivers. Toyota Yaris offers similar benefits to the Fit with Toyota's reliability backing. Its small size makes it less intimidating for new drivers while still providing adequate space for daily needs. The Yaris typically costs less to purchase and insure than larger vehicles, making it budget-friendly. SUV options for first-time drivers. Honda CR-V leads the compact SUV segment for first cars, combining Honda reliability with the elevated seating position and all-weather capability many drivers prefer. While slightly more expensive than sedans, the CR-V offers excellent resale value and lower depreciation rates. Its reputation for reliability means lower long-term ownership costs. Toyota RAV4 provides similar benefits with Toyota's proven track record. The RAV4 offers good cargo space, all-wheel drive availability, and excellent safety ratings. Its popularity ensures wide availability in the used car market and easy access to service and parts. Mazda CX-5 brings a more engaging driving experience to the compact SUV segment while maintaining good reliability scores. For drivers who want something that's fun to drive while still being practical, the CX-5 offers an excellent balance of performance and economy. Budget-friendly, reliable options. Hyundai Elantra provides excellent value with competitive fuel economy and a comprehensive warranty that provides peace of mind for new car buyers. Hyundai has significantly improved its reliability in recent years, making the Elantra a smart alternative to more expensive competitors. Kia Forte shares many components with the Elantra while offering distinctive styling and similar warranty coverage. Both Hyundai and Kia have worked hard to improve their reputations and now offer compelling alternatives to traditional choices. Ford Focus pre-2012 models can be excellent budget choices, offering European-inspired handling and good fuel economy. However, buyers should avoid models with the problematic dual-clutch automatic transmission found in 2012-2018 models. What to avoid as a first car? Certain types of vehicles should generally be avoided by first-time buyers. Luxury cars like BMW, Mercedes, Benz, or Audi, while appealing, typically require expensive maintenance and repairs that can quickly overwhelm a young person's budget. High-performance sports cars present obvious risks for inexperienced drivers and carry prohibitively expensive insurance costs. Vehicles with known reliability issues should also be avoided, regardless of their attractive purchase prices. Cars requiring premium fuel add unnecessary expense, while vehicles with complex all-wheel drive systems or advanced technology can be expensive to repair. Used vs. new considerations. Most first-time buyers should consider used vehicles to maximize value and minimize depreciation losses. A 3 to 5-year-old car often provides the best balance of modern safety features, remaining warranty coverage, and affordable pricing. However, buyers should always have used cars inspected by qualified mechanics and verify maintenance records when possible. For buyers who can afford new cars, the warranty coverage and peace of mind can be worth the extra cost, especially if they plan to keep the vehicle for many years. New car buyers also benefit from the latest safety technology and fuel efficiency improvements. Making the final decision the best first car ultimately depends on individual needs, budget, and preferences. Prioritize reliability and safety over style or performance, as these factors will prove most important during daily ownership. Consider total cost of ownership, including insurance, fuel, maintenance, and repairs, rather than just purchase price. Research insurance costs before buying, as they can vary dramatically between models. Young drivers should also consider taking defensive driving courses, which can reduce insurance premiums while building valuable skills. Remember that your first car doesn't need to be perfect or permanent. Focus on finding something reliable and safe that fits your budget, knowing that you can upgrade to something more exciting once you've gained experience and improved your financial situation. The most important thing is choosing a vehicle that will serve you well while you develop the skills and judgment that come with experience behind the wheel.